Amid Dublin's fast-paced life, an ancient spiritual movement is offering a path to inner peace.
It is a place where people can find out knowledge of the nature of the soul and the spirit. What happens is that because of societal influences, we start asking questions like, where can I get a job? Where can I get something to eat? Where can I do this? Where can I? And so then the material sort of things start to take over. And one loses then one's ability to focus on spiritual things. So the ISKCON, the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, is to help the living being, us, to focus on on the spiritual questions. That is where the ultimate happiness is.
I came here for the first time, and I came to Dublin like 4 days back, and I was searching for the ISKCON temple, and today I just get over here, and it was an amazing experience for me.
In my practice of last 7 years, I have realized that this is something, a vibration which helps people to associate with Lord, and which is a form of yoga. And yoga means to establish the connection with Lord.
Public events are a way to promote community, spirituality, and inclusion.
ISKCON has distributed 500 million books since its inception, but Bhagavad-gita is a focus now in the last few years, and worldwide we're distributing millions because it is an incredibly universal message, and we want this message out there because it brings incredible help for people in this world to understand who they are and what the goal of life is. The misconceptions are less and less from what it was originally when it started in Ireland, in the 70s. A lot of people had a lot of strange ideas, but nowadays it's a little bit calmer. We like to do our Kirtan, or share the chanting of the holy name. But we've lots of people who come and join in and dance around with us because it's a very joyful movement. But we have Govinda's restaurant. A lot of people like to eat our food, the vegetarian food, and why we eat. There's a big vegan movement today. So these are all ways in which people kind of interact with us on their own terms, shall we say. There's no such thing as, you have to be this, and if you don't do this, and therefore you're this, and there's none of that there. It's coming from every person individually in their heart. They make a choice.
In an overwhelming world, ISKCON and the Hare Krishna movement remind us that true peace comes from reconnecting with our own selves. Arpita Chowdhury, CNN Academy, Dublin.